Let's do the bias for today's session. So looking on daily, there is nothing special. We are we are really close to this previous weekly low because I believe like the low is the same. There was no sweep, there was algorithmic delivery. So like on daily, there is nothing special. But if we drop on 4 hour, on 4 hour, I'm really looking for this gap here. Like it's really fucking big, bro. So right now, all depends how this 4 hour will close because there was no sweep. This is an important level. This is previous weekly low, and price didn't like price haven't sweep it. Look at the low, 0 1 0 1. So like there was no sweep. This was just algorithmic delivery. There is SMT here at this low. So like 4 hour, like I will need to wait for this candle closure because if we close above it, then I will be looking for this 4 hour volume imbalance. This is also new daily opening up and new weekly opening up. If we drop into 1 hour, if we drop into the 1 hour, we created an FVG. We created an FVG. So like there is some strength to go higher. However, on NQ there is this devil mark. The candle just opened higher, didn't create a low. So this is something I will be looking for. Right now I see that there is SMT into 1 hour FEG. It also looks like London reversal right now. However, if you jump into 5 minute, I don't like that there is no SMT. We also left those sell side here, so that's something I will be looking for. Also, we are day before NFP, so I think I will close the charts after 10:30 if there is nothing special, because today there is high probability that price will just consolidate. If you drag standard deviations, this like right now we are between 2 and 2.5. Price is looking like it's consolidating, so maybe we'll even go for this new daily opening up, which is aligning with those projections. Also, we have a lot of buy side liquidity here. So like right now, I'm not really sure, because looking for bearish price, we have a lot of sell side here. I don't think it was a really nice London low, like London reversal. We left those lows, no SMT, nothing. Also, on 1 hour, there is this devil mark. Right now we are in this 2.5 and 2 standard deviation projections. However, we didn't manipulate above midnight open. We were really close to it. And looking on bullish signs, so there is this algorithmic delivery. So maybe this is an SMT, but it is not like a really high quality SMT. On 4 hour there we have this big volume imbalance here, but maybe price is keeping it for tomorrow. So we will first take this sell side here, like previous weekly low here on ES, and then we will go higher. So yeah, right now I will be waiting for this 4 hour closure to see what price want to do. Because if we are going to close like this, then I will be looking for this sell side below, and potential for this new previous weekly low. Yeah, it looks like it's setting market maker sell model here. Yeah, so we will see how it will end. I don't have enough confirmations to like be one side. after the session. So let's analyze what happened. So generally we went lower on the day. Let's hop to the 4 hour. So yeah, on like at the beginning I was thinking if we are going if we would close above this 4 hour FVG, but we didn't. What I didn't saw is that there was this SMT here into 4 hour FVG. Also this delivery. There was no sweep, so like this liquidity was still there. There was still a lot of liquidity there. Yeah, 1 hour on NQ there was this devil mark. Yeah, but there was this FVG, so like that's why I said that I need to wait for 4 hour FVG because it wasn't sure for me. But one thing that I didn't saw, like I saw it, I also said that in the video, but like I wasn't really looking at it, is those 15-minute lows, especially on 5 minute. So we left those lows, but there was no SMT, there was no sweep, anything. So it doesn't look like a lot like the low of the day, We left too much liquidity here, like those lows on ES. There was still those previous weekly low. In 5 minutes, yeah. And if you take a look at 5 minute, it was accumulation to create the market maker sell module into this 4 hour FVG here, and nice confirmation was that there was this SMT into FVG, but we didn't manipulate until we didn't manipulate into this 3-day open. So that was like today's price action was sketchy, but right now, like seeing this 5 minute, it's obvious that this is accumulation which was setting the market maker sell model. We were in this 4 hour FVG, there was SMT. We were also in this 2.5 and 2 standard deviation, so there was possibility that we will go lower. Algorithmic delivery, previous weekly low. So like it was like right now, like in hindsight is so fucking obvious for me, but like I don't know, I don't know. Yeah, so I took one setup here. It was a demo because it wasn't really what I'm trading. So let's jump and analyze again what happened. So yeah, we were in this 4 hour FVG. There was this SMT with ES, I believe. Yeah. Oh, I didn't mention that we went back into the 50% of the range. This is also OT on NQ. So this was also a like there was a lot of confirmation that we will go lower today, but it wasn't 100% clear for me, And also I was reading Discord and some people were also bullish, but I don't want to like compare myself to others, but today's price action wasn't really clear for me, at least. So yeah, this accumulation here, which is setting market maker sell model, we manipulate, like this was the pre-session manipulation to this 4 hour FVG with this SMT OTE level, a lot of confirmations. Also, if you drag a fib from this manipulation leg, you will see that we were respecting this standard deviations area. Yeah, there was this accumulation, and yeah, and at 9:30 we just dumped lower. Let's see ES. Yeah, right now I think we are going for those lows here. 4 hour. Yeah, like this is again when I see that when there is a algorithmic delivery like this, that we didn't sweep it, we just touch it to the tick, it means that price will maybe go higher to like, I don't know, 50% like discount, then take it, but we will take it, So that's a little less lesson for me, because like that also depends, because sometimes I see that this could be also an SMT for like for how to say, for a bigger move, So that's why I wasn't sure here, but right now I see that there was a lot of confirmations that was telling me, like was tipping his hand that we'll go lower. But there was also no setup, that I missed in this move, especially like the strategy I'm trading. So That's fine. Uh, yeah, so this accumulation, those it was so fucking clear, you know. Yeah, yeah, manipulation, accumulation here. Yeah, so let's drop into actually 1 minute to see the real meat of today's session. Okay, 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 okay. So let's begin with NQ. I will I will yeah, I would leave those charts here. Okay. So yeah, so let's just do it on 1 minute. This accumulation manipulation here 8:30, and that's like what happened here. Like the what happened at 8:30 was a confirmation for the setup I took. I will show it you in a minute. So 8:30 there was news accumulation. This FVG creation at 9. Okay, so because at the beginning I was looking for higher prices, even when we took those lows, I was looking that maybe price will reverse because we left those accumulation here. So it was also looking like maybe we'll want to take this buy side here. So this was this was the decisive moment for what will be next. Because on 1 minute on ES, price price started to really go hard higher, with speed. So there was a possibility that we will even close above this 1 hour FEG, and if price would have closed above this 1 hour FEG, then I would be looking for higher prices, but because price did it, and also there was a nice confirmation. I was actually looking to take this trade on demo, but I don't know, I just miss it. But that's fine, that's also not my strategy. I'm just reading price. So how you see, like on ES, it was looking like we are going stronger. We were like going higher. We was really close to close above this 1 hour FEG, but on NQ price was really weak. We created this low at 9:30. So that because we created this low at 9:30, this was also a little confirmation for me that maybe this will be the low of the session because it's based on time and on the key level. But once price, like on NQ, we closed it below this order block, and it was at 9:40, I knew that price will not be able to close above this one FVG, and we will close like before those below those lows. So it will be a like close, like hard close below the low. So I knew that this 8:30 will be the high of the session. So then, based on that information, if you take a look, we created a low at 9:30, 9:54, sorry. So this was the wrong low, This was the wrong low because if you just backtest it, price will create the low or high of the session between 10 and 12, I will not go, like, I will not explain this concept, but Flux on YouTube, Flux Trace, you can check his Flux Trace. You can check his YouTube. He has a great video about it. So yeah, based on that information, like it is also information from ICT core content, so you can also check it there. But yeah, so we created this low at 9:34, and because it was wrong low, I was looking for any PD array in the premium array, in the discount array, and there was this FEG, and price was going really really hard into it. So wait, give me a second. Yo, bro. Oh, wait. Give me a second. Okay, so yeah, I took this trade here on this FVG let's go back into here. Wait 1 minute. Okay. So yeah, I took this trade because it was macro time. We created the low at the wrong time. There was also this 4 hour sell side liquidity, and seeing that this will be the high of the session, I just took it with and my TP was on these 4 hour lows. So yeah, then there was after that there was anything special, you know. Once we took this 4 hour FVG, there was this turtle soup, but we just count back into 5 minute order block. Yeah, there was nothing special today. Like price was just going lower, you know. I was looking for a setup once we take this once we I was looking for a setup once we took this previous weekly low. We closed it really nice, but it was a little bit sketchy for me because on 15 minutes price was looking really like, you know, there was no confirmation. I believe there was also no 5 minute CSD or something to like take 1 minute trade. So yeah, I was waiting for more confirmations. Maybe if we had closed above this breaker, I would have taken it, but we didn't. So yeah, there was nothing special. Yeah, I think PM session today can be nice for trades. We left a lot of buy side liquidity, so yeah, interesting session. You know, one setup on demo, and yeah, like it was before the NFP, so that's also why there was there was movement, but you know it is low probability, yeah, those are low probability conditions, but yeah. So yeah,